Hey coding owls, welcome back to my channel. This is a new series about Python programming. As you know, Python is a very famous programming language used in almost all the domains in the world. As of now, most popular. Pick up a domain, Python will be there. It's one of the most easiest language to learn, and it's the first choice if I am supposed to teach someone how to start programming. My first choice will always be Python. Simple reason, the syntaxes are very simple. It's not if like coming from a Java background, I know if Python is much more easier on the user. It is made more readable for a user. Like the main idea is it should be human readable, so the human readability factor of Python is very very high. They are not very much high on or strict on curly braces usage, but thing is we have indentation. Every language have its own pros and cons. Python would be a wonderful language if you want to go into full stack development. You want to go into big data platforms uses Python at extent. I'm planning a series on PySpark as well after this, but again for that you need Python. And this particular video I am planning, let's start with Python. And this video I'll be talking about installations, how to install Python, how to set it up with your VS Code. My machine already have installed, but I'll again quickly just show you how do we install and get running with the first hello world programming Python. So let's start. For installing Python on Windows, you just need to go to Python and you can just say Python download. It will take you to python.org. I will put this link in the description, and if you want, you can go for the very latest version. That's preferable. Once it downloads, you can just click on the installation. And because my machine already have Python, it's asking me to just update it. So mine was 3.11. I'm updating it to 3.12 for you now. But for your situation, it will be all next installations, and let it complete. Okay, so my Python is installed. If I start my CMD and if I just try Python, yeah, if I just type Python, it is already set up, and you can see it is. If I say 2 plus 2 here, it's saying 4, and if I say hi plus hello, it's saying hi hello. So it's simple. Like the Python shell is getting enabled, and if you want, how do we start? So I have created a simple folder which I'm going to open it up in my VS Code. So if you just open command prompt and just type code space dot, it will open your VS Code. And here I'm going to type a simple program, and let us say it hello world.py. And once I write it as a Python file, simple thing is I just need to say print and I say hello world. Okay, so I don't want this, I don't want this. It's asking me select the interpreter you want. I'll select 12 for now, and once this is done, I save it. I'll open my terminal, and in my terminal I say Python space hello world dot py, and you will be able to see. So how do you start the terminal? That is also one thing. You can just go to the terminal menu, start the terminal, and here you can just see that if I say Python space name of the file, it will that means your setup is complete. So I hope you have followed along on the first step where we install Python and we go for writing a simple program and executing it. So next video onwards, we will be jumping into the concepts. So subscribe to my channel, press that bell icon so that you know when the new video arrives. And thank you for watching this video. Do share it with your friends.